Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. So sometimes on the weekends, if the weather is just right and I have a few hours to spare, I like to drive around and make a few stops to admire the local arts and crafts on the roadsides of Harare. I just love to see people put their creativity into action. It's interesting what the human mind can think of, and I salute all those who take the time to develop and master the skills to bring the imaginary to life. Isn't it fascinating how, with the right hands, a dead tree can be brought back to life and really bring beauty to someone's home or give people visual and emotional satisfaction? So today I managed to get this horse head. I'm such a big fan of horse art, and you'll see more of it in future videos. I love all the intricate details and the use of chains and chain rings and all the nuts and bolts. I just love this. Then we definitely had to get the baboon. We couldn't say no to it. And I just think it'll be a fun addition to the yard. The kids love it and our dogs seem a bit threatened by it, so that's just kind of funny. So guys, that's all for today's video, and I really hope you've enjoyed it and that you go and support the local arts and crafts. Bye for now.